My friends, welcome back to my estate video. Good news, the estate app is coming this summer. This is what we are hearing from the official Telegram channel of estate. Guys, get ready. The app will be available for Apple phone users and of course for Android phone users as well. So they are going to be launching it this summer. So get ready because this is going to be big for people that love apps. I know that some people in my community, they've been asking for the estate app for a very long time, but it's happening now this summer. So get ready. Once it is launched, I will let you guys know. You will be able to download it from the Google Play Store for those of you that are using Android, and you will also be able to download it from the Apple Store for those of you that are using Apple phone. Okay, I will let you guys know once the app is launched this summer, but this is just to prepare you guys that the app is launching very, very soon. Just stay in touch. Okay, keep in touch with what is happening in the official Telegram channel of estate, and then also keep in touch with your upline. It's very important that you keep in touch with your upline, because without keeping in touch with your upline or keeping in touch with the community to know what is happening, you will not know when the app is going to be launched. You will not know when there is important update for you to take action. Okay, so yeah guys, thank you. I don't want to say much on this video. I just want to let you guys know that the app is coming and we are all excited about it. Okay, thank you guys. God bless, and I will see you in my next estate video.